Hey lovelies, welcome to the most requested and awaited video, which is my planner pick for 2023. You guys are asking me in the comments, in my Instagram DMs, what planner I'm going to choose, which planner I have decided to use. Here is a little video finally. Yes, I'm going to use multiple planners this year as well. And for the year 2023, I'm going to be using, before that, what do you guys think on how many planners I will be using for the year 2023? Okay, I'm going to be using 2 planners for 2023. So first, let's reveal the first planner, which is my work planner. Do make some guesses in the comment section below. What do you guys think the 2 planner brands that I will be using? First one is, which you already seen like an unboxing of. I think it's quite easy to get it, which is the Positive Store planner. I love the positive energy this planner is giving me. I really like this planner and looking forward to use it. So this planner will be my work plus YouTube planner to plan out my content, write everything related to that. And the second planner pick, which is going to be my personal planner, is Factor Notes planner. So I like their planner so much from 2021, I believe. I wanted to give it a try this year as well. I want kind of a compact planner this time because I used a lot of big planners this year, 2022. So I wanted like a compact planner, which Factor Notes really is. And I want a good weekly page, and also I want a weekly habit tracker because I like it that way. Another thing that I really want is the calendar layout, like the box layout. If you see the Positive Store unboxing, you know it's not like a box kind of calendar layout, which is really important to me to see like a bird's eye view of what's gonna happen that particular month. So I definitely need that. And budget plan, which is really essential. And of course a spread for vision board and everything. I don't have any expectations for daily/weekly planning because I don't plan my daily section in my personal planner. I think it will be more like a journaling or dear diary sort of a moment. I think that's how it's going to be. I will not be writing any everyday task to-do list in that. So everything just ticks off right and well in the Factor Notes planner. Also, I love the cover design that I picked. Since I haven't received my planner, do comment below which cover design I might have selected. And coming to the Positive planner, which is going to be my work planner. This calendar layout, in these lines I will be writing my videos that I want to post on that particular month. I think rather than the box calendar layout, this will be really good for YouTube planning. So that's another thing that I took into consideration to use it as a work planner. And the important thing is a very good to-do list page, because I use my work planner as to write down my to-do list priorities for the day. So I have enough space to jot down everything. I can see myself really using the weekly pages effectively in both the planners for sure. So these are going to be my 2 planners. You can watch the unboxing of the Positive Store planner, which is on the screen right now. You can click and watch it. And I will be doing like an unboxing and flip through of Factor Notes planner once I received it. And that's it. And let me know what is your 2023 planner pick or planners pick if you're like me using multiple planners. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.